Hey, Figure 1, what do you see right now?
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
Great, can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
So what you've just seen is a short clip of a real-time demo of a humanoid robot. There is no sped-up footage, no fancy edits, and definitely no VR tricks. This could potentially be one of the most significant breakthroughs in the recent AI industry. A technology startup, Figure AI, in collaboration with OpenAI, has just unveiled its very first humanoid creation just a month ago. It's Figure 1. It's pretty mind-blowing to see the robots in action. Let's check out the more scenes of the demo before we dive into the in-depth details.
Great. Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Great. So, based on the scene right now, where do you think the dishes in front of you go next?
The dishes on the table, like that plate and cup, are likely to go into the drying rack next.
Great. Can you put them there?
Of course.
All right, so how do you think you did?
I think I did pretty well. The apple found its new owner, the trash is gone, and the tableware is right where it belongs.
I agree. Thanks, Figure 1.
You're welcome. If there's anything else you need help with, just let me know.
Figure 1 is an exciting blend of humanoid design and advanced AI technology that marking a significant advancement in world of robotics. Its sleek design combines the flexibility of human-like movements with cutting-edge AI capabilities. What sets this robot apart is its ability to engage in natural conversations and movements thanks to its integration with OpenAI technology. During the demo, you witnessed Figure 1 interacting seamlessly with people in real time, without any human intervention. This sets it apart from other humanoid robots currently on the market. Unlike typical AI demonstrations that often speed up or skip over tedious processes, this one runs at regular speed. This means that what you see is exactly how fast it operates in real life. Moreover, all of Figure 1's behaviors are learned rather than controlled by a human using virtual reality. It operates entirely autonomously and powered by an end-to-end neural network. This means it uses its cameras to see and microphones to listen, then feeds that information into a large AI model trained by OpenAI to understand both images and text. The driving force behind this incredible innovation is Figure AI. This California-based tech startup, founded in 2022, has quickly made a name for itself in developing versatile humanoids. Despite being relatively new to the scene, their achievements have been nothing short of impressive, but giving established players tough competition in the robotics field. Their work represents a significant step forward in the development of advanced AI systems that can seamlessly interact with the world around them. In just a year, they managed to raise $70 million, and their recent funding round has skyrocketed to $675 million, with reaching a valuation of $2.6 billion. Major players like Microsoft, Nvidia, Jeff Bezos, and Intel Capital have already invested on them. Leading the charge is Brett Adcock, the founder and CEO, who has got an extensive background in the tech industry, having with previously founded successful companies like Vady and Archer Aviation. Leveraging his expertise, Adcock has assembled a team of industry veterans from renowned companies such as Boston Dynamics, Google DeepMind, and Tesla. Well, why humanoids? The ultimate goal of Figure is to develop autonomous humanoid robots that can help tackle global labor shortages. They highlight the labor force is shrinking, There are 10 million unfilled jobs in the United States. 7 million of those job openings are for essential roles in warehouses, transportation, and retail. But there are only 6 million people available to fill these open positions, and even the rate at which employees leave their jobs remain high. So there is significant workforce challenge exists. So Figure's vision is introducing humanoid robots into the workforce who can learn, think, and interact safely alongside humans, that all to help solve these big challenges. In February 2024, Figure AI achieved a significant milestone through its partnership announcement with OpenAI. This collaboration is geared towards boosting the capabilities of Figure's robots, allowing them to engage in natural language conversations and potentially enhancing their computer vision skills. OpenAI has actually teamed up with a pretty young company, just like a year and a half old. But in that short time period, Figure has done something incredible. They've just given ChatGPT a physical body, which is a huge leap forward in AI industry. Now, even though it's still early days for this product, it's seriously impressive. It's even surpassing Tesla's Optimus robot. Remember that coffee-making demo they showed off just a couple of months back? In this video, we're seeing the robot make a mistake by placing the pod in the coffee machine the wrong way. But here's the surprising part. It fixes its own mistake all on its own. That's quite remarkable. They're actually employing artificial intelligence, but it's a self-correcting one, which is worth exploring. Corey Lynch from Figure has just dropped some interesting messages on X about their incredible robot's capabilities. It can actually describe what it sees, plan its next moves, use its memory, and even explain its decisions. Unlike robots we're used to seeing from companies like Boston Dynamics, which often pre-programmed or teleoperated, Figure One is all about learning autonomously thanks to its neural networks. And guess what? It gets better over time through trial and error. With OpenAI's amazing multimodal model, this Figure One can do some seriously impressive things, like its perception, reasoning, and interaction skills that'll blow your mind. It's got this awesome instinct for using common sense reasoning to understand its environment and make smart decisions. Take, for example, those tricky ambiguous requests like when someone says they're hungry, and it knows to hand them an apple. Plus, it can predict what comes next, like knowing that dishes on the table will probably end up in the drying rack. What's really cool is that it can explain why it took a particular action in plain English. And with its supercharged short-term memory, it can recall past conversations and actions to make even better decisions. Now that's what I call cutting-edge tech in action. Here's the breakdown of how Figure One actually works. It's equipped with built-in cameras and microphones that help it see and make common-sense decisions. These onboard cameras snap images 10 times per second. So let's say you ask it for some food. It quickly scans its surroundings and responds accordingly. Then, it taps into OpenAI's neural networks to pick just the right action, which it executes at a super-fast 200 cycles per second. And its joints move smoothly at 1 rotation per second, giving it that fluid motion. Furthermore, Corey explains how the robot handles complex tasks with its hands. It's all about manual manipulation, using both hands to handle and manipulate objects in a refined way. The key to this is the neural network visual motor transformer policy, which acts like the robot's brain. It takes pictures from its cameras and translates them directly into actions like moving its arms or fingers. Just check out those fluid motions in Figure One, particularly in tasks like placing items, collecting trash, and effortlessly moving that basket around, which are noted for its human-like qualities. So, what sets Figure One apart from other robots? Well, it's all about its ability to chat with you in natural language to get things done for you. Its text-to-speech feature is seriously impressive. The robot sounds so human-like, you'd almost think it's a real person speaking. It's got that natural hesitation in its speech that makes it feel even more human but less like a machine. However, notice there's still a bit of a lag between when you speak and when you get a response. We've seen similar delays with ChatGPT voice interactions. So, there's definitely room for improvement before they can be widely used in commercial purposes. Hopefully, the company's rapid progress ensures the possibility of achieving human-like movement and real-time conversation soon. Now, there are some big questions arises at the same time in people's mind, like will the robots be a threat to us or take our jobs? Well, Figure AI has already answered these questions in their master plans in the website and explains how they sustainably use their robots in the future more healthy way. They assures they won't put the humanoids in military or defense applications and know any roles that require inflicting harm on humans. When it comes to jobs, there are pros and cons, but Figure's mission is to enhance human capabilities through advanced AI by creating general-purpose humanoids. And they stated their goal is positively impact humanity and improve future generations' lives. These robots can eliminate the need for unsafe and undesirable jobs and finally allowing humans to live happier, more purposeful lives. Well, that's it for today's video and hope you found it interesting. Check out the description for the resources we mentioned in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.